Bitcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe channel. If you want to join our Telegram group, guys, join now. The link is available in video description, guys. Bitcoin is really pumping up very well, guys. Is there possibilities for BTC to pump more or not, guys? Let's see. But as you can see here, 23,400, that's the highest, and after a short time, and now continuously a very sudden dump occurred in a Bitcoin, guys. Very sudden. You can see here, just look here. So now due to this crash, guys, possibilities that now it will stuck again here, but I'm sure that now when it make a breakout, when it start pumping, so all crypto market will be positive, and I will share our latest update of BTC on my Telegram group, guys. So if you still not join our Telegram, join now. The link is available in video description.